Don't come for me, okay? It's so pretty. Hi loves, what is up? It's AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I am bringing to you mermaid realness, honey. Okay, yes, I decided to do a blue ombre hair. So I did light blue at the top, going into dark blue, and I am just obsessed with the outcome. I've never had like full blue hair before, but this right now is like, it's sending me. Like I'm really happy with the way that this turned out for sure. So if you all are interested in knowing how I got this and just seeing the process of how I colored this wig, how I installed it, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 50K. So subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this look. And yeah, let's just get started with this video. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna jump right into this. So here's the natural state of the wig. I'm showing you guys the colors that I'll be using to achieve that nice mermaid blue that you guys saw in the beginning. So right here, I am just applying a lighter blue to the roots and almost halfway throughout the hair, and then going in with that royal navy towards the ends. So at first I wasn't feeling how dark the light blue was. I felt like it was just too dark and you couldn't really see the transition of the colors. So with the next strand, you guys will see me doing something different. So this was like a gray color. I was just trying it out, just trying to see how well it'll like blend, if it was a look or not, and it wasn't. So then I added that light blue in the middle and then did the navy blue on the ends, which obviously I did not continue to do it that way because it wasn't it. It was ugly. So y'all, honestly, coloring this hair was a headache. When I say a headache, all of the hair stores are closed due to COVID-19. They are all closed, and this is the only batch of hair colors that I had left. And the blue just so happened to be majority of what I had, so I had to make it work. Like, this is legit the epitome of, girl, use what you got and make it work, okay? So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, you can check the description box down below. This hair is from Kriyya Extensions or Kriyya Extensions, however you want to pronounce it. This is their 24-inch 613 wig and a 150 density. So right now, I'm pretty sure you guys are confused as to why I jumped to doing the watercolor method. My opinion, I feel like when you don't want to use a lot of products, definitely do the watercolor method. It only takes maybe one bottle to fully coat something, maybe two if you're going for that rich look. So right now I went in with that sky blue jade color, and I wanted the blue to be a little bit lighter, but I just wasn't feeling it. You guys will see the color. There it is. It's like that greeny turquoise color. I wasn't feeling it. So I just went back in with the azure and the sapphire just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And yeah, so we're mixing and we're dipping. One thing, you guys, I have to give you advice about with doing watercolor method. Although it is very fast and efficient, the main thing that I hate about watercolor method is that your lace will get stained. Like, no matter what color you're doing, your lace will get stained if you submerge the lace into the water. So I knew that, of course. I was just, very frustrated with the whole process because I wanted to be done, and it's not like I had a lot of product to work with. So that's why you guys seeing me actually go in and pour the product on the hair itself, because I felt like, well, the watercolor method, it was kind of fainting out the color. So I figured doing this and then dipping it back into the water so that the color on the hair can fully submerge on each strand was a bit better. And then once that was done, I just went ahead and washed everything out. As you guys can see, that method worked and everything is pretty good. So instead of doing the watercolor method for that royal navy, I just went in and kind of submerged the hair color right directly on the ends of the hair. And doing this actually kind of saved me some product. I don't know how, but it kind of did. I didn't have to use a lot, and I could see better, and I didn't need a lot anyway because it was just the ends. So that's exactly what I did. I just submerged it with some product and ran my fingers through it. And one thing about that navy color, it kind of looked purple. I don't know why, but it's not really a true dark blue. It's kind of like a purple. So I had to go in with some sapphire as well, just to blue it up some more so it doesn't look purple. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much how it turned out. So once I did that, I went ahead and I washed it out. And you guys will see me doing that now, actually. Yep. So I went ahead and washed it out. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty good. But after I was done washing it out, I definitely missed some areas because I wasn't being thorough enough. So once it was on my wig stand, I went in with some leftover hair dye that I had, and I just touched up on some areas. And as you guys can see, this is how it looks. Definitely loved it. And yeah, again, you guys, check the description box down below for their hair information. And we are about to jump into the installation process of this hair. I loved it 100%. Okay, before we start this video, I don't want you guys to come for me, okay? And I know I'm talking to you guys right now with my straight backs in. Let me put this wig on, then finish what I gotta say. So, like I was saying, I don't want you guys to come for me. Okay, this is disclaimer. My nails are looking very, very, very tragic right now. Because I feel like we're all going through the struggle of this quarantine and of COVID-19, Corona. Like we're all feeling a bit off and not put together like how we usually are. So I ended up doing this hand last night, and I did not feel like doing this hand at all. I had to do my nails because when I was coloring this hair, my gloves had like rips in it and whatever, and it just bled out on my entire hand and my nails as well. So don't judge me, okay? It's gonna get better, okay? It might get a little worse before it get better, but we gonna get to the better part, all right? So that was just a little disclaimer. Don't come for me, okay? Here is the wig. Definitely showed you guys the clip of me coloring it and what I did afterwards. So this is the outcome of this hair color. Not gonna lie, I am just a little bit scared because I have never done like full blue before. And then on top of that, I did stain the lace with doing the watercolor method. I just didn't have the time to stand there and like hand paint the entire wig. I didn't have the energy. And with the hair stores and everything being closed, I only had a little bit of hair dye to work with. So I feel like that works best with the watercolor method. I feel like you definitely use more hair color when you're doing freehand painting than the watercolor method. So this is just what we had to do. Okay. So right now I am going to apply my foundation to the wig. Okay, so I applied the foundation to the lace. This is how it's looking. And I'm just going to kind of press the front out of the way, push it back so that I can see where I really have to go in and pluck. Okay. And now I'm getting excited, okay? I'm just going to pluck some hair out of this wig. This unit came pre-plucked, and I really don't have to do much plucking on this wig. Just kind of like tweezing behind the front of the hairline, because that's usually where the bulk of hair is. We want to get rid of that so it looks as natural as possible. All that hair that we just plucked out. And I am going to go in with my bow hold. This is the regular holding. And I'm just using this one because I know it doesn't hold as strong as the active. This one with the regular hold, I feel like it's okay if it gets on your hair because it's not as strong. just realized I don't have any scissors near me right now, so let me go grab some. Y'all, I'm out of breath. What? Have you guys been working out during this quarantine? The way that I have been eating, like just wanting to eat, I need to work out, okay? So I'm just going in with my razor. You guys know the norm. So now it's time to cut around our ear. And then I'm gonna go in with some freeze spray. And I don't think I'm gonna do like too much baby hair with this look, because me personally, I don't like, you know, a lot of baby hairs with color hair. I just feel like it looks so unnatural. Like, sis, we already know you wasn't born with blue roots, okay? But yeah, the least we can do is try to make it look natural, or as natural as possible. Our part, I'm gonna do a middle part. And this is a 13 by 6, so we definitely had like some space that we can work with for a middle part. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer in my part. You guys know that that is a trick to make it look even more realistic. So I am going to go ahead and curl this hair. But one thing I hate is curling hair while it's on my head. So this is about to be very interesting. And I'm just adding some silkening serum to the hair. Oh my gosh, y'all. I really, really, really hate curling hair on my head. What I normally do is I will curl it on my wig stand before I put it on. But I wanted to actually show you guys like the installation process. So the tip and trick to getting the hair to kind of fall properly, you always want to curl your sides in opposite, no, actually in the same direction. But like you see how I am pretty much turning the iron away from my face. So I'm curling the hair backwards. You want to do the same thing on this side. Oh, y'all, look at that curl. And you want to scrunch it up just so that the hair can hold the heat. Wow, y'all, this is about to turn out so nice. Get them out of the way. So again, you want to take it and just curl backwards. Twist the iron, drag it down, wrap around. Twist, drag it down, back around. Just follow that same pattern. I'm making it look easy. I ain't gonna lie, when I first started doing hair, I didn't even know how to use a curling iron. But I have never actually done like a question and answer from my subscribers before. So if you guys are interested in a Q&A video, then let me know. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to do a Q&A. You have to follow me on Instagram though, because that's where I'll be asking you guys the questions. So yeah, let me know. I think that'd be fun, and it can even be like advice. You wanted advice on something. I'm not gonna out you or say who said what or whatever, but you know, just like give me something to talk about while I'm doing my makeup or something like that. So that'd be dope. I want you guys to interact with me. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product of the curls. I'm not gonna comb them out yet. I'm gonna do my makeup and get a little dolled up, you know. And then I'll be right back. I thought I was recording when I was combing these curls out. Apparently I wasn't. But I had my scarf on for a little bit, so the curls fell. I am gonna add like a little bit of layers. I absolutely love the outcome of this hair, of this look, you guys. It looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. I was scared. I definitely was scared. But, you know, I like this. I really do. I really do. Video. I hope you all enjoyed, you know, like the whole outcome of this look and the video as well. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Leave a comment down below. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, in order to let new things grow, you have to be willing to let old things go. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.